In this paper, we have evaluated two photorealistic mixed reality visualizations, X-ray and melt. Both visualizations reveal occluded objects. As shown here, our X-ray visualization shows the occluded object through an edge-overlaid representation of the occluder object. Conversely, our melt visualization virtually melts the occluder object to show the occluded object. It removes the occluder completely. We have also used a graphical depth cue in this experiment. The depth cue originated at the participant's position and was directed toward the target object. Each alternating segment indicated a 10-meter length. The primary goal of the experiment was to evaluate the effects of X-ray and melt visualizations on outdoor depth perception, both in the presence and the absence of the graphical depth cue. There were 4 conditions in this experiment. We crossed 2 levels of visualization and 2 levels of depth cue. The visualizations were used as a within-subject variable. All of the participants experienced both of the visualizations. Whereas depth cue was a between-subject variable, one group of the participants performed their task with the cue on condition, and the other group performed with the cue off condition. These samples show X-ray with cue off, melt with cue off, X-ray with cue on, and melt with cue on. The experimental task was to verbally report the egocentric distance to the target object, which was a 3 by 3 meter green cube. The target object was randomly placed at one of 5 different far-field distances. This building was used as the occluder object. The target object was inserted into a photorealistic, correctly scaled model of the occluded area behind this building. The experimental trials were presented on a 7-inch screen. The screen was mounted on a tripod with a camera attached to the screen. We performed the experiment in a shaded region.